Before you take that next loan, before you take that next credit card increase or that, line of credit, listen to this. Please listen to this. This is what we're going into in this video. The reasons why you need to think before you take that next loan, you need to, before you take that credit card increase. It is very, very important. So I want you to listen for the next few minutes on why you need to stop before you do it. Okay, so I am Kersha Campbell, the cash flow maven. I do help everyday business owners, companies, contractors, those in the construction industry, trades, helping them to say goodbye to financial chaos, which will help them to get increased cash flow. So I help them with cash flow issues. They are having a lot of money leaks. More monies are leaving their business than coming into their business. So I partner with them, find out where they're at, and together we work to turn things around. So you're saying goodbye to frustration, to overwhelm, confusion, and the list goes on and on about what's happening in your business, the state of your business operations. You're about to take that next loan. You're about to increase their credit card limit. You're about to, okay, click that button to take that line of credit. Stop. You need to step back and assess why you are doing this. Of course, isn't that a silly question? Why you're doing it? You're doing it because you need the money. However, let's go beyond that. Why do you keep needing those cash injections in your business? It's just like if you're having a migraine, a headache, right? The instinct is to just reach for the painkiller, right? Or, reach for the painkiller or probably, grab another form of remedy. There's some natural remedies. However, it is important to not only treat the symptom, but treat the cause. Why are you having that headache? Is it because you're lacking sleep? Is it because some persons are allergic to certain foods and they'll have a migraine flare up from that? Or is it because you're stressed or you've been worrying about something? There's so many reasons why you will be having that can contribute to you having that headache. So you're grabbing for the painkiller to relieve that headache. However, you need to know what triggered that headache, what led to that headache happening, in your body. So in the same way, you are ready to put some more cash in your business. And sometimes it doesn't even have to be a loan. It could be your personal funds that you're pumping in. Again, why do you have to keep doing this? And I'm not talking about a one-off situation where, things kind of got haywire and you're just having to do this, depending on strategy as well. It's a good move. I'm talking about constantly having to put monies in your business, whether it's your personal money, somebody else, a personal loan from someone, or going through the bank or financial institution. Why do you keep doing this? What is the reason for this, right? That is not something that is normal. It's not something that should be seen as, okay, my business is okay to keep surviving off a next loan, to keep surviving off increased credit card. No, that is not normal. So take that step back to see why you are doing it. Is it because you're not having enough sales? Is it because your expenses are too high? Is it because of your pricing? Is it because of this? There's so many reasons that can contribute to you having to constantly inject monies in your business. There are a lot of reasons. So you need to be able to figure out what that reason is. And, a lot of times we jump and we're doing things and we don't know why. We don't know what's the underlying reason. And if we don't fix the underlying reason, the underlying cause, we're going to keep being in this position. You're going to keep being in this position where you're constantly having to put more monies in your business, constantly having to apply for another loan, another credit card limit, increased limit, right? And this is not this is not how you want your business to operate. Your business should be able to, fund itself. It should be able to, take care of itself. Key, operating costs should be able to be covered by a business. Again, there are times where it can be a one-off, and yes, that does happen. But if it's a situation where it is constantly happening, it is definitely a red flag for your business. You need to pause to see what is happening. And a lot of times with going through my clients and stuff, ensuring that we are on top of our cash flow situation. We are on top of understanding what are the trigger points, okay? Why do we, if monies need to come into the business, why is it? What's the reason for that? What's the strategy behind that? We are clear on why this is happening, right? And this is something when I connect with business owners and entrepreneurs and CEOs, I am ensuring that this is something that is clearly understood and we are clear about why it should not be an ongoing occurrence. That is it. So I want you to think about your business, where you are at, to ensure that this is not like a one-off, that what was supposed to be a one-off and now it's like a routine. It's like a practice in your business where you are constantly having to put more monies in your business from various sources outside of the business. Is not funding itself. You might have several businesses and you're constantly, put money here and you're moving money around and all that. Those are things that need to be addressed in your business. And a lot of times you might think, okay, it's just this time. It's just like sometimes you're like, okay, it's just this one time. The one time becomes the second time, the third time, the fourth time, until it's just a norm. It's not, it's not a lifestyle of your business, as you say, it's not a one-off situation. So before you do that next transaction, make sure you are clear about why you are doing it. What's the strategy behind it? Why do you need to keep putting more monies in your business? Why do you need to keep doing that? And so I'll be signing off now, and I might throw it a little bit. So I'll be signing off now. So ensure that if this is where you're at, let's have a conversation, right? Because I don't want you as a business owner, CEO, and entrepreneur to get into the habit, the routine of constantly pumping money into your business like that, whether it's from a loan yourself. We need to sit down to see what is really happening in your business, what is a trigger or the triggers that's actually leading to the situation each month, month after month after month, and it could even lead to years as well. So if this is where you're at, or another business owner who's in the situation, let's talk and we'll be able to figure it out and turn things around. So signing off, this is Kersha Campbell, your cash flow maven, helping you move from chaos to cash flow in your business. Bye, guys.